Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on using emojis with docs, slides, sheets, forms. Now, each one of these Google tools behaves differently, but they all have a pretty common theme. So I just wanted to show you about using or inserting those emojis with those different methods. So again, my preferred method is I like to use the extension. So let's say I come up here, I'm on a Google Doc. I'm going to open my extension, which is that icon there. And then I can actually search right away. So let's say I want to put a dog in, right? So if I search for dog, I've got that. I can click on that and it actually copies it. You see it copies it right here down. Let's say I also want a hot dog. And so the nice thing about the extension is I can actually get a big line of emojis there. Then I come back in and I can Control V or Control paste those emojis in. You saw, or you may have noticed up here when I went to my extension, if I'm looking at, I've got this color change here for the emojis. So if I want to switch the tone, and that has to do with the hands and the folks there, the people you see kind of the light skinned, we can switch it to more of a brown skin there. So that's kind of a customizable feature for that emoji extension there. Another way to do that is to come up here and actually inside of Google Docs, Google Slides, there's an insert menu and you can actually insert special characters into text fields. And so you can do that, and we have these characters, but you can do the drop down menu and you can actually switch it to emoji here. And then we have the whole bank of menu here. We've got people emotion. They've got all kinds of categories here. So we can actually switch those if you want. We can do special characters. So if there's something that you don't have in the extension, or maybe there's something you'd like to find in particular, you can do that, or you can search for it here. Along with inserting the emojis is making them larger. So they will be inserted in whatever sort of text box format you have. So for example, if I want these to be larger, they are considered like text characters. So all I have to do is I have to select the text, or the emojis in this case, and then I can actually make them larger by just bumping up the font size or increasing the font size. I can also make them smaller. You can do some things as well, like you can put the highlight in behind them. So I've seen some people that like to put like a little background in behind them, or whatever it happens to be. When you do bold, it doesn't do anything. When you do italics, it does actually do italics, and it will actually put a little underline in them. So they are treated as text characters, so you can make them bigger or smaller that way. So that's looking at inserting emojis into those Google products.